Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to manage your account in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Okay. Now it's interesting to note that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and and a variety of related merchandise, including software. I'm sorry about that. All right, so let's quickly hop into it now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, how to manage your account. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have Hi, add your name to that. So click on that Hi stuff. You're going to find an extended menu here that says your accounts, purchases, products, payment method plans, and all of this. So go ahead and click on account settings because we want to manage the account, right? So click on account settings and it's going to take you to the account settings window. So over here, there are a lot of things that you can do to actually manage your account. Now I'm going to walk you through each of the processes. Now click on the addresses. And once you click on addresses, you'll be able to change the shipping address. Click on payment methods. Once you click on payment methods, you'll be able to add or change your payment method. Now you can click on phone numbers as well for you to change your phone number. You can check your communication preferences for you to change your communication preferences. You can click on store pickup person for you to change the store pickup person, and you can manage instant notifications and you can change your name. So for account security, you can also change your email address. You can also change your password. You can set up two-step verification. You can check remember devices, backup devices, and even you can add your passkey or face or fingerprint sign in. And then you can connect your account with Apple or Google. So let's just go through some of them. Addresses. So here you can add your shipping address. Click on add an address for you to add your shipping address. So add your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and click on save. So I'm going all the way back. To the next option, payment methods. They have payment method. They do not have any payment method added. So click on add a payment method. And now you can add your credit or debit card number, billing address. And once you're done, click on add payment method, click save. And you can also have other credit cards that are supported by Best Buy. So I'm going to go the way back first to check the next step. Because we can check two more and you can run over all the processes by yourself. So this is phone numbers. So select phone numbers. So you can change, there's a primary phone number, you can change the primary phone number, or you can add a recovery phone number by clicking on that change or clicking on add. Let's see, the next is communication preferences. This has to do with notification. So get text about your orders and services or the latest offers. You can choose which text you like to receive. So you can either do that promotional emails or general marketing sign up. You can change this or deal of day. So you can even change the email that you can use to get the text about your orders, services, or latest offers. So I'm going all the way back. So this is just general account management. You can use all of the processes in here for you to keep managing or for you to manage your entire account settings in Best Buy. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.